The Unihertz Shark 3 versus the Oukitel WP100. Which of the two 5G rugged beasts is equipped with the best specs? Well, in this video we're going to compare the specs of both 5G rugged devices. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive in. So there we go, guys. Which of the two devices in your opinion is equipped with the best specs? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.